In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create custom CSS for your high-level dashboard. By the end, you'll know exactly where to add your styles so you can fine-tune colors, buttons, spacing, and overall branding across your workspace. Before we begin, have your CSS snippet ready in a text editor, and be sure you have the right permissions to update agency-level settings. Start inside your account dashboard. At the top of the interface, click the name of the dashboard you're currently viewing. This opens the account switcher so you can move between a specific location and your overall agency controls. From that menu, select Switch to Agency View. This step is important because custom CSS for branding lives at the agency level, not in individual locations. Once you're in Agency View, head to Settings. You'll find the Settings option in the left-hand sidebar. It's where global preferences and configuration live. Inside Settings, choose Company. This is the section that holds your core agency details and the tools related to branding. Within Company, open the White Label tab. The White Label area is designed to centralize your branding, things like logos, colors, domains, and, importantly for this video, your custom CSS. Now scroll down until you see the Custom CSS section. It's a text area where you can place any CSS that should apply across the high-level dashboard experience. Paste your code into the Custom CSS field. A few best practices here will save you time. Keep your rules organized with clear comments, use specific selectors to avoid unintended changes, and try to minimize the use of important so your styles remain predictable. If you're adjusting global elements like navigation, buttons, or fonts, start with small targeted rules, then build up. Consider grouping related rules together and testing in small batches so you can quickly identify any selector that doesn't behave as expected. When you're satisfied with your snippet, click Save Changes. Give the page a quick refresh to see your updates come to life. If you don't see an immediate change, perform a hard refresh or clear your cache, since browsers can hold on to older styles. If something doesn't look right, return to the Custom CSS field, comment out or remove the problematic rule, and save again. You can always revert to the original look by clearing the field and saving. That's it. You switched to Agency View, navigated through Settings to Company, opened the White Label tab, found the Custom CSS area, pasted your styles, and saved. With that, your high-level dashboard now reflects your